Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. And hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Bafana. The South African Football Association, SAFA, have been dealt with a major blow in their effort to salvage their 2022 World Cup qualifying campaign, with FIFA on Friday dismissing their protests. SAFA had lodged a formal request with the game's governing body, asking them to investigate the officiating in last month's 1-0 loss to Ghana played in that country that brought the curtain down on their efforts to qualify for next year's global showpiece in Qatar. Ghana winning goal that day came from a hugely controversial penalty awarded by referee Margaret Ndiaye, with SAFA saying afterwards that they had reason to suspect manipulation and potentially even fixing in the match officiating. The SAFA CEO said, "We have received the decision without details and we will request FIFA for the reasons and consider our options." This means Ghana will proceed to the next round of World Cup qualifiers and play in a straight knockout against a yet-to-be-determined opposition to secure their place in Qatar. Benin also lodged a complaint and they were not successful. FIFA Disciplinary Committee declared both protests inadmissible as they did not meet relevant requirements, but added that the decisions are subject to appeal. What are your thoughts on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye, good people.